Hello, grade 11 learners! Welcome back to our science channel. Kung gusto nyo maging handa sa inyong lessons, activities at summative test ngayong second term, eto na ang video na para sa inyo. Kaya i-ready na ang inyong notebook, makinig ng mabuti at sabay natin gawing mas madali at masaya ang pag-aaral ng science sa second term. So let's get started! Okay, this second term we have 8 content standards. So this is the first standard. Chemical reactions are part of human activities and present in the environment. Number 2, chemicals should be handled safely and solutions can have beneficial and harmful environmental effects. Number 3, all levels of life have systems of related parts. Number 4, structures and functions are related at all levels of the organization of life. Number 5, cells carry out functions that enable organisms to survive. And number 6, organ systems work together to carry out essential function of an organism. Number 7, climate change affects ecosystem and the organisms living in them. And this is the last content standard for this term, number 8. Ecosystems are finite and have limited resources. So basically, sa second term, pag-uusapan natin ang mga exciting topics tulad ng chemical reaction, tamang handling of chemicals, at kung paano nakakaapekto ang mga solutions sa ating environment. So aalamin din natin ang iba't ibang level of biological organization, ang structure and function of cells, kung paano nagtutulungan ng organ system at ang epekto ng climate change sa ecosystems at mga organisms. Okay, before we proceed with our learning competency this term, can we ask you a small favor? Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much. Let us now proceed. Learning competencies. Learning competencies for week 1 to 2. Chemical reactions in everyday life. So number 1, explain some of the common types of chemical reactions and provide examples for the following: decomposition, acid on carbonates, acid on metals, and combustion. Number 2, identify the type of chemical reactions that occur in our daily activities, including baking, cleaning, and burning. Another learning competency for week 1 to 2. Use chemical equation to show biological and environmental processes such as photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, this is the last topic for week 1 to 2. Describe the chemical reactions that take place in our body cells, which are referred to as metabolism, and explain their significance. First learning competency for week 3 to 4. Solutions in the environment. So, learning competency number 5. Explain the characteristic of solutions and their example in household products, industry, and environmental science. Learning competency number 6. Apply best practices in the proper handling, storage, and disposal of chemicals. And this is learning competency number 7. Investigate how much salt dissolved in water will prevent the growth of a simple garden plant. Learning competency number 8. Create a table to show how solutions of salt water and wastewater can affect local ecosystem and recommend ways to minimize their negative impact on the environment. And learning competency number 9. Explain using photographs or videos of simple plants or animals as examples how life forms operate a system of related parts working together. And this is learning competency for week number 5. Create a diagram to show the relationship between the structural components of a biological system and their functions. And for week number 6, the importance of cells and living things, this is the learning competency. Describe how cells obtain nutrients from food and convert them into energy through cellular processes to sustain life in plants and animals. For week 7 to 8, organ system working together. So this is the learning competency. Explain how various plant organs interact to facilitate the transport of materials throughout the plant system. And competency number 13, this is for week 7 to 8. Describe how a damaged part in a system affects the organism using the case of a torn ACL and an asthma attack. And number 14, learning competency. Explain how the nervous and endocrine system work together to regulate body temperature in response to stimuli. And number 15, explain how vaccines work by relating to the functions of the immune systems and lymphatic system in protecting an organism against infectious diseases. Okay, before we continue with the last 5 learning competency, a short message for all of you grade 11 learners. A new term means new lesson, new challenges, and new opportunities to grow. So believe in yourself, stay curious, ask questions, and never be afraid of making mistakes because every mistake is part of learning. So you have to keep going, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Okay, so this is the learning competencies for week 9 to 10, Philippine ecosystems. Describe what is meant by the term climate change. And another learning competency for week 9 to 10, describe how biological systems respond to climate change and contribute to understanding its effect on living organisms in the Philippines. Number 18, explain how climate change impacts Philippine ecosystems. And number 19, propose ways to adapt and mitigate the impact of climate change on local biodiversity. And last but not the least, analyze information from secondary sources to evaluate the adverse effects of overpopulation locally and globally. Thank you so much and God bless on your academic journey.